Hey everybody, Karl again. Okay, so thank you for joining me today. Tip number 11. This one, if you thought tip number 10 was good, holy cow, this one's even better. Tip number 11 out of the 23 best home buying tips I've learned in 23 years. Tip number 11, make your best offer first. Make your best offer first. You know, I've probably alluded to this in a previous tip, but here's the real truth. When you think about it, this tip deserves its own space. Here's why. I've represented a lot of different buyers. Commercial, residential, land, and it doesn't make a difference, okay? Buyers of every stripe want the same thing. A good deal, right? Everybody wants a good deal. So make your best offer first. Here's why. Number one, make your best offer first to beat others. To beat others, okay? Because chances are in this marketplace, okay, this, as you've heard me say in previous videos, this is not 1950, okay? People have access to their cell phones. They're going to find out about the best deals. They're going to get emailed. They're going to get texted. I mean, heaven only knows what the future holds. Okay, this is 2019. 5 years from now, when you're watching this video, I don't even know what social medias are available yet. I don't even know what possibilities are possible. So when you think about it, the possibility that another buyer has the exact same information about your property as you do at the time you do, it's pretty high. I mean, this is a technologically savvy world. Okay, I'm almost 50 and I'm really good with this stuff. I've seen 80-year-olds that are even better than me. When you think about it, studies show that the first offer a seller gets is usually the best. And agents know this. Agents know it. Okay, and that means when you present your offer, that agent's going to tell the homeowner, hey, look, studies show first offer is going to usually be your best. And if you've come with your best offer first, that's going to increase the chances of your offer getting in and getting accepted. I wrote down, don't try to save $1,000 or two. You'll regret it. Point number 2, if you lose, you won't feel bad. If you make your best offer first, okay? And then if somebody comes in and beats you by $1,000 or two, well, then you're not going to be upset about it because you made your best offer. But woe unto you if you give your offer, and let's say you are going to give $340,000 is the asking price, and let's say you say, well, gosh, I'm just going to give them $335 and see if they'll take it. And then somebody comes in and gives them a full price offer. You say, well, gosh, I would have gave them $345. Heck, I would have gave them maybe $342 or $350. I don't know, but well, you should have said it. You should have said it when the time counted, and now you've lost. Nothing sucks worse than missing out on a deal because you wanted to play games. Woo! Listen, you're not being a bad negotiator, okay? The entire point of this, I wrote down, is to get the right house at the right terms, right? I wrote down point number 3, there's more to negotiate than the price, okay? Don't be so short thinking, okay, into thinking that the price is the only thing that you're going to have to negotiate because you have plenty of things to negotiate. Trust me, closing dates, concessions, times, repairs. I mean, look, don't be one-dimensional, okay? Find out what the seller wants. It's not always the price. That's your tip for today. Tell me what you think. If you're an agent watching this, I'd love to hear what have you found in your past. Tell me what you think. I'd like to hear it. And as always, have a powerful sales day.